The Cuisinart International Chef Crêpe, Pizzelle, and Pancake Plus cooks everything from tortillas to pancakes. I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite recipes on the International Chef. We're going to make crepes, we're going to make quesadillas, and then some beautiful pizzelles. Let's start with the crepes. First of all, make sure to combine wet ingredients and dry ingredients separately before folding them together. With the crepe batter nicely rested after 30 minutes, great texture, I want to preheat the International Chef. I've got the flat plates in position, and one of the great features is that you can not only select the temperature at medium, and it indicates that that's for crepes, I can also set a timer so that when I close it and it preheats, the green light will come on, indicating when it's ready to go. With the grill plates hot, just a little brush of some melted butter. This is for flavor more than anything. And then using the scoop that's provided, straight onto the center. Oh, it smells so good. Drop that down, and when the timer goes off, you're ready. Light and fluffy crepes ready in no time. Stuffed with beautiful fresh fruit. A simple turn. Oh, a little dusting of icing sugar. And fresh maple syrup. Imagine black bean and Monterey Jack quesadillas with fresh pico de gallo. Now imagine you've made the tortilla by yourself. 4 simple ingredients in the tortilla. You can either cut it together by hand or in the food processor. It comes together in these beautiful little balls. You can roll it out nice and thin, almost transparent. Now while I'm rolling these out, I'm going to preheat the International Chef, turning the timer up to tortilla and the heat to full temperature. I'm going to close it up, allow it to preheat, and get these rolled out. With all my favorite ingredients inside, tomato, pico de gallo, fresh cilantro, I'll finish with another layer of pepper jack cheese. It acts like the glue to keep this beautiful quesadilla together. Top on, and slide it right back onto the grill plates. Close it up, and let all that cheese melt. There's no need to wait for Cinco de Mayo for these beautiful quesadillas. One of the exciting things about the International Chef is the fact that the plates are reversible. Simple press of the button and you turn it over, and look at those beautiful pizzelle molds. Top and bottom allows you to put the batter in and press out those little golden cookies that you love. With this beautiful fragrant dough brought together, I just place, using the spoon provided, a spoonful inside each one, gently press down and lock the top in. With the timer set, those will be ready in just a minute. Whether warm right off the grill or sandwiched with ice cream, cannolis, sugar cones, savory, sweet, and even dipped. You can make pitas, naan, tortillas, all types of flatbread, and crepes. The International Chef will introduce you to a world of cuisine.